Good morning. My name is Kit Moji with MarineMax Pensacola. This morning we're going to talk about the 2019 Grady-White 251 Coastal. What a unique bay boat this is. First thing you'll notice is the solid hull side color in coastal fog. We equipped this boat with a Yamaha 300 4-stroke. The 251 is unique in many ways. You could fish this boat or you can actually make it a great cruising boat. With the transom all the way across here, you have cushions that can go all the way across, or you can flip it down and make it so it's a casting deck. Also on the 251, you'll notice at the helm, digital throttle shift for the 300 4-stroke. We do have another live wheel right here, moving forward. Just what a great boat as far as day boating, to have all this seating with backrest, or you can flip them away, take the cushions off, and make it a full casting deck. We do have the optional bow table, which is the filler insert right here, which you lift up and then set here and make it a true bow table for entertainment. This is a brief walkthrough of the 2019 251 Coastal. We're always open at MarineMax.com. Thank you.